Okay, would you like to come up here? Would you like to come up here? Look, one for you and one for Tina. Uh-oh, Tina. Oh. The lavender one is for you. Do you like that? Do you like that? Now they won't open. Maybe they will. Okay. One at a time. What did girl get? Did you get a teddy bear? You do got a teddy bear. Well, you almost had a teddy bear. Tina. Oh, no, for pretty girl. What else is in here for pretty girl? My goodness. How many lucky girls get a lavender stocking? Tina, look. You are so bad. Can she have something? Can she have something? There she goes. Shall we open the other one? Her eyes are so cute. My baby girl. Watch him come back now. This is the best part of the whole bag. This is the best part of the whole day. This is the most important part. Okay. Whoa! Can she have one first? You can have the whole thing. But just a minute. Just a minute. Let's find something Tina likes. Would you like that? Oh, I need that. Merry Christmas, baby. Here. What's Tina want? What does Tina want? Do you like these? Do you want a Christmas tree? Do you want a bone? Okay. There she goes. Merry Christmas. Shut it off now.